Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic neurons. Neurons that are the structural and functional unit of our neural system. So let us discuss the structure of neuron. So a typical neuron consists of three main parts. First, that is the cell body. Second, dendrite, and the third is the axon. These are the three main part of neuron. Neuron, that is the longest cell present in our body, and it help in the transmission of the message from one part to the another part of our body. So this cell body is like a typical animal cell. It is also known as cytone or soma or perikaryon. These are the another name of cell body. So it is like a typical animal cell having the nucleus in the center, and the other organelles are also present. Here some small granules are there, and these granules are the Nissls granule. These Nissls granules, these are the rough endoplasmic reticulum having the free ribosomes, and these are the site of protein synthesis. After that, a long fiber is arising from the cell body, that is the axon. It helps in the transmission of nerve impulse from cell body to the nerve ending. And these small fibers are also arising from the cell body, and these are the dendrites. So these dendrites, these are arising from the proximal part of the cell body. Firstly, try to understand what is proximal and what is distal. Suppose जो ये मेरी पाम है और इस पाम के साथ जो ये फिंगर यहाँ से जुड़ी हुई है, इसको हम बोलेंगे प्रॉक्सिमल और इसको हम बोलेंगे डिस्टल. तो ऐसे ही सेल बॉडी के प्रॉक्सिमल में से जो अराइज है दैट इज़ द डेंड्राइट्स, और डिस्टल पार्ट से जो अराइज हैं दैट इज़ द एक्सोन. सो इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग फाइबर एंड हैविंग द means ending into a knob like structure, and that knob is the synaptic knob. And this synaptic knob have the vesicles, and in these vesicles neurotransmitters are present, and these neurotransmitters are released at the synapse during the transmission of the message or during the chemical impulse, because these chemicals are released from these vesicles, and these neurotransmitter like you can say acetylcholine. So this acetylcholine, it is the neurotransmitter, and it is released in the synapse. And what is synapse? The synapse, that is the microscopic gap between the nerve ending of first neuron and the dendrite of the another neuron. These neurotransmitters also released at the motor end plate or the neuromuscular junctions. After that, this axon part, it is covered by a layer, and that layer is known as myelin sheath. It is made up of a protein, and so it is known as the myelin sheath. And this myelin sheath is formed by the cell, and that cell is the Schwann cell. So Schwann cell help in the formation of the myelin sheath. You can see some gap is present where this myelin sheath is not present, and this gap is the node of Ranvier. So this is the node of Ranvier where the myelin sheath is not present. So these are the different parts of the neuron. The main three parts of the neuron: the cell body, the dendrite and the axon. After that, these neurons are of different types on the basis of the axon and the dendrite present in them. So first, known as multipolar neuron, second is the bipolar neuron, and third unipolar neuron. So multi, I think you know, more than one. So जिसमें क्या होगा, only one axon and two or more dendrite in case of multipolar neuron. In case of bipolar, only one axon and one dendrite, and in unipolar, only one axon and the cell body. Let us draw the diagram of these. Multipolar, only one axon, so like this, only one axon. Here the cell body is present, and in the cell body two or more, so we can make like this, two or the more dendrites in case of multipolar. In case of bipolar, one axon and one dendrite, so one axon and only the one dendrite. And in unipolar, axon with cell body. dendrites इसमें होते ही नहीं है, axon होता है और क्या होती है, cell body. That is the cell body and the axon in case of unipolar. So these type of unipolar neurons, these are present in the embryonic stage. embryonic stage का मतलब मीन्स कि एम्ब्रियोनिक लाइफ में जब एम्ब्रियो होगा उस लाइफ में इस टाइप के जो न्यूरॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं. बाईपोलर न्यूरॉन, दीज आर प्रेजेंट इन केस ऑफ आई, and these multipolar neuron, these are present in the cerebral cortex of our brain. Cerebral cortex of brain. So cerebral means the cerebrum part जो है हम आगे स्टडी करेंगे, the structure of the brain. So वहाँ पे हम स्टडी करेंगे the brain have the four brain, cerebrum part होता है और cerebrum में cortex और medulla part होता है. So cortex region में कौन से टाइप के न्यूरॉन प्रेजेंट होंगे, multipolar neuron. And bipolar neurons that are present in case of eye, in the retina of the eye, and the third, the unipolar, it is present in the embryonic life. Now on the basis of the myelin sheath, and the neurons are also different types. In some neuron this myelin sheath is present, and if in the some neuron this myelin sheath is absent. So on the basis of these neurons are categorized into myelinated neurons and unmyelinated neurons. Not the unmyelinated, non-myelinated, myelinated. So neuron on the basis of the myelin sheath are of two type, myelinated and non-myelinated. So myelinated means the neuron having the Schwann cells, because these Schwann cells help in the formation of the myelin sheath. So the myelinated neurons having the Schwann cells that form the myelin sheath around them, like this neuron. This is the myelinated neuron. So that is the myelinated neuron. So it is present in the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. Means these cranial nerves and the spinal nerves, these are the myelinated nerves. Cranial nerves, these arising from the brain, and the spinal nerves, these arising from the spinal cord. Okay, and these are also the known as the peripheral nervous system, क्योंकि peripheral nervous system में जो nerves arise होती थी from the brain and the spinal cord. Next is the non-myelinated neuron. So the non-myelinated neuron means the neurons are like this. Like this. And they have only the axon, but this axon is not covered by the myelin sheath. So they are the non-myelinated neurons, and these having the Schwann cells which not help in the formation of myelin sheath around them, and these are present in autonomous and somatic neural system. So where non-myelinated neurons are present in autonomous and somatic, and where myelinated, these the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves, these are of the myelinated types of neuron. And the bipolar neuron, it is present in the retina of the eye, multipolar in the cerebral cortex region, and the unipolar, that is present in the embryonic stage. These are very important. From these 2 points, myelinated and non-myelinated, and where the unipolar, multipolar and the bipolar neurons are present. So from this topic, these are very important. From these always question come that in retina which type of neuron is present, or which type neuron are present, and in case of cerebral cortex region or in the embryonic stages. Okay, so that is about the neural system or the neurons, the structural and functional unit of the neural system, that is the neuron, or we can say the nerve cell. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.